So ladies and gentlemen, today on Mogli Goes Fishing, we're going to be taking this, the Blue Betty. Say hello, Blue Betty. It's my yak. She's all set up. I got a trolley motor mount built on the back, but I ain't gonna be using that today. Power cell in case this camera dies. 8 hours of memory, 5 hours of daylight. So let's see if we can't catch some dang old fish. Oh, this place is beautiful. Not just do that. Oh. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? There we go. That's better. Sorry, birds. You guys suck anyways. Birds are terrifying. Yeah, this is what I wanted to get over here and fish. We're gonna push up a ways. A lot of structure over there. Let's see if we can't get one. Yeah, here we go. Woo! Oh, right in the boat, right in the boat, yeah! Oh, buddy. Oh, you're gonna hurt yourself, bud. Calm it down. All right. Yeah, here we go. Got you, buddy. You don't look like much, but thank you for biting, bud. Thank you so much. Oh, that makes me feel good. Hope you guys are getting a good view of this one. It's my first bass on this lake, in this mountain. I'm not gonna tell you where the lake is. Damn, it's difficult. But I am gonna remember you as the first bass on this lake. Thank you for playing, bud. Nice. Oh, that was fun. Alright, trying to keep you guys pointed where you can see the action more. Have you ever thought that filming fishing videos was so difficult sometimes? Eventually that wind's gonna push me all the way to the back of this pocket. I've got a jerk bait in my arm flap. There we go. That's better. All right. This wind is something else. But luckily, I am all that is man. Boy, I tell you what. That was a paddle. We are here, folks. I have whopper plopper tied on. I'm gonna see if there's any fish over there. Oop. I want to bite this bait. All right, we found another dock. Might be a bit easier on me back here. Got the big wide open lake out there. We're gonna go back into this juicy creek. I'll see you guys here. See, this is what I wanted. Nice calm water. Nice crystal clear, calm, cool. This place is beautiful. I got one on top. Maybe they'll eat a nice jerkbait. The brightest rapala jerkbait I've ever seen. How about you guys? This a good bit. It's so bright, so pretty. Oh, there was a big fish right there. He definitely came over and checked this thing out. There we go. Yeah, baby. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, baby. Oh. Oh. Hey, bud Drew. Oh man. All right, buddy. Let me get you out of that first. There. There we go. All right. Check them out, guys. Nice fish. Number 2 for the trip. I started throwing around a jerkbait. I'm starting to get rained on, but that's all right. We'll get rained on for more nice, pretty fish like this guy. He is real pretty. Say thank you and goodbye to Mr. Pretty Fish. Oh, oh. See you, buddy. Yeah, he was pissed off. He came in slapping everything around like a badass. Well, guys, that does it for this video. Only got 2 fish for the trip, but I did manage to catch this amazing sunset. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.